Hey, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to archive, how to compress photos, videos and documents with WinRAR on Windows 11. And to get WinRAR I will show you from where you can get it, because WinRAR is a paid software. This is their official link, and from here you can find it, and also from here you can purchase it. You will find also the link in the description of the video. So once you have WinRAR, I want to show you how to archive photos, videos, documents with it. I have them on my desktop. Let's see how can we do that. So first you want to select all the photos and the videos and documents which you want to archive, to compress, and after that right click on one of them and you'll find here WinRAR and you'll find add to archive. Let's press on it. All right, and now we have to name this this compression, this archive. I will name it tutorial, or why not, for the test for the video. And now point RAR for the WinRAR. Now you'll find here browse to select where you want to save this compression. Let's select desktop, save it wherever you want, and press on save. All right, press on OK, and now the files are being archived, are being compressed, and here is the WinRAR file. And also let's check the properties, because the file is a lot less in size once you compress it. The compression now is 15.6 megabytes, and also let's check the raw files to see what's the size of the raw files, and these are 16.3 megabytes.